Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you a winter cake recipe with carrots and pudding, perfectly moist and incredibly delicious. If you want to be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Place 3 eggs into a mixing bowl. Add 1 glass of sugar. Add 1 packet of vanilla and whisk until foamy. Add 1 glass of milk. Add 1 teacup of liquid oil and whisk again for a bit. Sift and add 2 glasses of flour. Also sift and add 1 packet of baking powder. Whisk just until combined. I grated 2 medium-sized carrots. Sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of flour over them and mix. Then pour it over the cake batter. Add 1 teacup of coarsely chopped walnuts. Add 1 full teaspoon of cinnamon, which is essential for our cake. Mix our cake with the help of a spatula. Pour our mixture onto a greased large rectangular borkum dish. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius, top and bottom heat setting. Let it bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. While our cake is baking, let's prepare the pudding for the topping. Take 4 glasses of milk into a pot. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 teacup of flour. Add 1 glass of sugar. Mix well and place on the stove. Continue stirring constantly until it boils. After it starts boiling, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat, stirring constantly. And remove from the stove. While our pudding is still hot, add 1 packet of vanilla. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix. Let our pudding cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, to release its initial heat. At this stage, take our baked cake out of the oven after doing a toothpick test. It baked in 30 minutes in my oven. Let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, over the pudding that has released its initial heat, add 1 packet of powdered whipped cream. Whisk with a mixer on high speed for 3 to 4 minutes. If you wish, you can also make it without using whipped cream, it's still very delicious. Pour the warm pudding over the warm cake. Spread it evenly over the top. Let it chill in the refrigerator for approximately 2 to 3 hours. Sprinkle plenty of cinnamon over it using a sieve. Sprinkle plenty of coarsely chopped walnuts. Cut into slices, cleaning our knife with a paper towel each time. Our carrot and pudding cake, with its perfect consistency, softness, and wonderful taste, is ready for serving. I hope you all try it and like it. Bon appétit to those who will try it in advance. If you watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.